Today in front of me SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap on the network and internet. Here click to internet section, and to activate Wi-Fi click only once on the switcher. After that you will see here all the available applications which you can connect. For example, let's use the first one. By here enter the password. We can by click here on the show password checkbox, we can see the password to handle some mistakes, and I'll enter it out of screen. Okay, after that just tap here to connect. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna add one more network here, by the same way, click enter password, tap to connect, and you will have after that here to save networks, and for example you can switch between them after that. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that, just by open a notification panel, and here we can see the Wi-Fi section, the internet section. Click once here, and to activate Wi-Fi tap on the switcher. By the same way you will see here all the networks, or you can just activate launch Wi-Fi settings by this way, and after that to turn off the Wi-Fi click here once again on the switcher, tap to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.